Hi guys, this is Gary Nier from Genial Technology. In the realm of medical devices, precision, quality, and trust are the uncompromising cornerstones. To manufacture medical devices that meet standards, what capabilities does a factory need to possess? Today, we will take you behind the scenes for an exclusive look at our manufacturing facilities. Come on in. Our factory is equipped with automated assembly lines and implements high-standard AS management workflows. This automation and management system ensures product consistency and high quality. Quality isn't just a final check. It's embedded in every step of our process, from raw material inspection to in-process testing and final products validation. Our professional quality ensures that every product meets the standard. Beyond manufacturing, our in-house R&D lab is where innovation takes shape. Our engineers work tirelessly on new materials, prototyping, and process optimization to not only meet but exceed our clients' expectations. This is not just a source manufacturing plant, but also a center of excellence dedicated to promoting the advancements of medical devices. Are you looking for a manufacturing partner that prioritizes quality and innovation? Visit our website or contact us today to discuss your next projects.